All right, guys. Moving into another market review. As always, if you guys could stop over, check out my socials, obviously, Twitter. Keep up to the latest information here, as I did earlier today. Also TikTok, IG, all that good stuff. You guys can stop by and say hi. I got all those right there in the as far as on my webpage on YouTube. If you guys can go on there and check it out on my homepage, you should have all that info there. Go and check those out. That'd be greatly appreciated, guys. So getting right into it, as far as market conditions currently, BTC as a whole is holding up pretty well. Again, I described this already 3 days ago, basically stating that I didn't think BTC would come down any further, really. I do think that at some point we do retrace. I just don't think it's yet. With current market conditions, that's kind of where we're sitting right now with BTC, which is really, in all actuality, as you can see right here, more of a bullish pendant. So if we take this and we move it down to like the 4 hour, we can see that, that reversal a lot better. And we can probably also kind of move this a little closer, right? Because I think we're more closer to something like this as opposed to further out there on the daily. I could be wrong. Ultimately, we could try kind of trend out a little bit and kind of continue to run inside this flag, but I think ultimately we're looking at a bullish pendant. So within this bullish pendant, I'm expecting price to try and mitigate to the upside. Again, I'm not looking for BTC to do anything like extreme. I'm currently looking for BTC to kind of hold its position and blast through here, right? So I'm looking for that, again, those same price ranges I was talking about before, that 51 to 55k BTC. I think that those are very possible. We'll see in the end if we can make it there. I think at this push we end up kind of running into a 51, a higher high, but I think we get rejected on the center part of the BTC rainbow right there. So if I come down after that, I think we kind of mitigate price, and then for a bigger push at that point. So we should kind of see that same movement I was talking about before, where we see BTC either do that or we see BTC blow up and then do a cup and a handle, right? So a cup and handle will be, I think, more explosive than just a straight bounce to the upside. So we'll see how it works out at the end, and I think like a cup and handle is definitely more possible, because we should ultimately be looking to fake out the market. Well, at least I think the market maker will, just like they're going to do here. I think that they're going to run this down, fake the market out, mitigate price back, and then probably about midway, as you can see right here, right in this range. And then once they mitigate price back, we can kind of see that handle kind of push through, and that handle should be kind of explosive. We should be looking for a higher high as far as market top for the current market, and then we should be kind of looking to kind of play sideways, trend right down, all the normal stuff as far as market movement. But currently, this is what I'm looking for price movement. I have not left any of my positions. I do have stop losses in place just in case, but we can see the market maker is not letting this position go. He or she they're waiting and they're holding this position here. They're not letting this position get any lower. And as you can see right here, this was kind of our play zone before. Now we're kind of in a higher zone if we look at it in reality as far as price movement. I do want to point out a couple hard movers right now, and one of those would be DOT, Kasuma. So if you check those out, those are basically, they should do extremely well due to the parachain auctions and all that good stuff. So we should see a lot of DOT projects move. I would say keep an eye on DOT, Kasuma, and Polka Starter. I do think Polka Starter will move with it, just like Card Starter moved with ADA, right? So in that same scenario, I'll be watching those three and looking for good entries on them. Again, DOT's been holding $30 all day long, $29.9 to $30. So it's ready to blow up. Super's another one that I'm kind of watching on the side. Again, BTC is looking pretty good. We are looking to be underneath the 50 on the fib, but we are also looking at a trend reversal on the current position right here. Will this play out ultimately? Maybe we come up, we find rejection and come back down again, and that's BTC kind of coming back up and hitting back down. and then maybe we blow back out, after our second movement to the upside. We'll see how this works out at the end of the day. Pretty parabolic movement right there for the market maker. As we can see, the trend is still trending up, guys. So don't be scared to kind of jump in, set some stop losses, and fish for a good position on some of these coins that are going to really take off as far as movers. Hopefully that gives everybody a good idea of the current market movement. Again, sorry about my late upload yesterday. I ran into some technical difficulties. Coach Fundamental Secrets, Alex Lorenzo, down below. If you guys want to check that out, we typically discuss all this stuff daily with them. I'm giving you guys daily updates, but we're on top of it with that group, and they kind of know what's going on and where we're going with this throughout the day. Again, thanks again, guys, for stopping by. I'll continue to keep trying to produce this content for you guys and make things, as amazing as they are. Have a great day. See you.
Even when it don't feel right, I still wanna party with her. Even when it don't feel right, you know I'ma party with her, with her, with her. She be calling on a Monday, wanna meet on Tuesday, asking me to fix me up real nice. She can wait until the weekend, she wants off the deep end, telling me to bring the stuff I like. I don't wanna let her down, so I'm telling her yes. Though I'm kinda down from the pain in my chest, but I'm putting that aside now. I'ma feel alright now, happy from the stuff I know she likes. I've been trying my luck every day of the week, yeah. With my baby, what's up? Ay, always down every week, yeah. Know I love her too much, but I just can't get enough. She's slipping through the cracks, call my bluff. She know what's up, can't get enough, yeah. Even when it don't feel right, I still wanna party with her. Even when it don't feel right, hey, you know I'ma party with her, with her, with her. We be chillin' all through Wednesday, slept until it's Thursday. She don't wanna leave me, not just yet. Told me all about last Friday, when she went all crazy. Didn't go to bed till Saturday. I don't wanna go without, so I ask her to stay. Though she broke my heart in a million ways, but I'm putting that aside now. I'ma feel alright now, happy just as long as she's with me. I've been trying my luck every day of the week, yeah. With my baby, what's up? Always down every week, yeah. No, I love her too much, but I just can't get enough. She's slipping through the cracks, call my bluff. She know what's up, yeah. Can't get enough, yeah. Even when it don't feel right, hey, I still wanna party with her. Even when it don't feel right, yeah. You know I'ma party with her, with her, with her, yeah. Even when it don't feel right, I still wanna party with her, oh yeah. Even when it don't feel right, you know I'ma party with her, with her, with her. Even when it don't feel right, you know I'ma party with her, with her, with her, yeah, yeah.